Good morning. Today I will show you how to download MySQL. That is nothing but SQL download. Type in Google, just type SQL download. Okay, and the first link you click it, and this screen will open here. And here you go to the downloads. Okay. Then in the downloads, you have to select MySQL community download. Okay, here you have to select install for Windows. Now here you have to either you can select 422.4 MB, or you can select 2.4 MB. Nothing is no difference is there. Okay, I will select 2.4. Then instead of login here, you can select no thanks, just start my download. It will ask to save the file, just save it, and we can run here directly, or the software will download here. You can double click it and you can run it. Okay, right click, install, run. It will ask the permission. Okay. Now this screen will open here. You can select custom instead of developer default. You can select custom, and the things which is required you can select it. MySQL, go to MySQL server. It is needed here. Just select in this table, and then application MySQL Workbench. It is also required, so select it. And then in the application part only, shell is required. Shell, select the latest version 8.3. But in every case I am selecting the latest version here. Okay. Then MySQL community, C++ will required. If it is there in your system, then you don't need to install this. Okay. And don't need to install the .NET also if it is there in the system. I will select these 4 parts. Then I will keep all the settings as default and just press the next button. Okay, and here also just leave it default and press the next button. It will give you a warning. Just yes it. Okay. Then execute it. It will take time to download. See, at starting progress is there, so it will take time. Here MySQL Workbench is downloaded completed here, and still it is this also completed C++. Okay, now MySQL server is also, shell is also loaded, server is also loaded. Then just press the next button here. After that you can execute. Now it is installing. Okay, the first what it is downloaded. Now it is installing. The installing process will take time, around nearly 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will take. Okay, now it is completed. It will take nearly 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, just press the next button and you can launch MySQL Workbench only. This shell is not required. Okay, just launch start MySQL Workbench. It will start now. Display user interface will come. Okay, see here you can click directly on MySQL. this error will come sometimes. Not in every system. This error will come. How to overcome this error? That I will show you. Okay, this is that error. Here I have taken the screenshot of this error and I have written how to fix this error. Okay, just copy this one link. I will give the description box. Just copy this and you can paste it here. You can paste it here. Then you press enter and this box will open. Okay, that is, let's see what you have to do next. Now you have to press the Control F, that is the search button, and you have to search Frank. Just press the Control F. It is, and type F-R-A-N-C. Okay, F-R-A-N-C, Frank. Next, you have to come downwards, and you have to download this link here. Just click it, download it. Okay, download here on desktop. I will download. I downloaded the link here, and you have to just cut it, and then you have to go to see the next processes. Replace the link in C program files MySqL Workbench. Okay, so where it is installed now? That is, it is installed in C. It is installed in this computer, C drive, program files, then MySqL Workbench, and here you have to paste it. Here you have to paste it. It will ask replace. You just replace it. Continue. This SQL is open here. You have to close it before you make the changes. Close it. It will take time. Again, okay, close it. Now if you try again, then it will paste it. Okay. And here you have to go, just type MySqL Workbench. Now this time if you click on the next local instance server, then it will open. See here, right? This will open. Here one more error came. That is let's see how to overcome this also. You just close this part. Okay, and again type my here and just open the file, and then right click here and go to edit connection. After that you have to test connection. Test connection. See what it is showing. Localized with this. You have to give the password here. If that is asked, you have to again go to the here installation community is there. For that you have to click it. It will take time. Okay, here for MySQL server reconfigure. Then you have to press the next button. Next, here you have to give the password as root and click it, check. It is taking time. Okay, a green tick mark will come here. Then you press the next button. Afterwards, you have to type the password here as root and root. Or else you can use a standard system account. Then go to next. Then execute it. Everything will be installed one more time. It is a MySQL server 8.023. Okay, finish. Then again execute. It will connect to internet, download new catalogs, then it will show. Then it is finished. Okay, now just try it one more time. MySql. Just try to MySql. Open it. Then click it. Now see here, everything is sorted out. Okay. Now it is not crashing, not showing the server error also, and not showing that bug also. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.